Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with my small Shop Miss A haul. How are you guys doing? Sorry if you guys hear any noise. Baby Des is all over the place. He is able to go up and down the stairs now, which is just giving me little mini heart attacks. And it's just growth at this point. He is just growing. He is a full-blown toddler. So Terrible Twos actually starts earlier than the actual mark of 2. I believe it starts at 1.5, almost around that phase. But how are you guys doing? How's everything? So I just wanted to show you guys this small Shop Miss A haul. I have not gone to this site for such a long time, and a couple of people were doing these hauls, and I was like, you know what, let me go check on the site. I do need to get some brushes. Let me go see what I can find. And also found out that they were doing a cause for Animal Humane Society. And you guys already know that I had lost my dog of 15 years earlier this year in January. So definitely wanted to help with the proceeds to go help with that. So I went and got a lot of the Paw charity items so that they could go ahead and support the cause. All right, so I'm just going to get right into it. It's not a lot of items. The order took some time, and I believe it does take time with Shop Miss A. I do have patience, so it doesn't affect me too much. There's never anything that needs to be expedited from the site for me to get right away, so I'm okay with that. I believe I placed the order March the 31st. I got another email specifying it's been shipped April the 3rd, and yesterday is April the 9th, so it does take time for you to actually receive it. So you just have to be patient, and it'll eventually get to you. All right, I already opened the bag because this would not be my first time trying to record this video because my battery died. I normally don't do like second takes or like do another cut. Everything is to the point without repeating the video again. And yes, so I'll start with the Paw charity. I'll start with their canvas pouch, which is super cute, you guys see. And it just says share love, which I believe is a beautiful message. I also got 4 of the Super Soft Wonder Blend Teardrops. I got 4 of these. 4. They're not all this, yeah. And then I got 4 of the ones that have the flat head like Real Technique has, which are the Paw Charity Super Soft Wonder Blend Vevered. So in total, I got those. And now I got some brush. The blending set. I also got the Paw Charity All About Eye Brush Plus Brush Holder. So this is that. That's why it's in pink. Super cute. Sorry for the noise. And you just pop it on the sides. And there you go. There you go. You're really cute. Brushes. There we go. You guys can see them. So I just went and got some new tools. I was definitely due for some new tools, so for sure. I went and got this, and I just thought the holder was beyond cute. This probably be one that I'll take when I go on the summer vacation, because it's portable and it's ready to go. And that was for a cause. And what else did I get? The last thing, where is it? The AOL Plush Flonk Mink Brush Set. There we go. Oh, and the glue is behind this one here. I also bought glue. Is anybody allergic to the glue, or does it take a long time for you to get it off? Like, I would rub and rub and rub, and it would just take eternity for these glue. Either one. I have the clear one and the black one. I have a variety of different glues, but I noticed that's like the hardest thing to come off. And I do have the micellar waters, different kinds of water solutions, and still I don't have the proper, I still feel like there's something else that could help melt the glue off the lashes. And I'm just in a hunt of finding that kind of product that could help with relieving that, so that I don't have to wait 2-3 days for me to keep washing to get it off. So that, or I have old glue, so I did toss those out so I could get new glue. I should treat it just like how I treat the eyeliner. That's what, yeah, I think that's where it is. They do have a strong smell, ink smell, I would say. Yeah, it's strong. There we go. There's another brush set. This one comes with a total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 brushes. This one has one of the brushes that look like the e.l.f., the flat, but this one is just extremely soft. It's nothing like the e.l.f. one. The e.l.f. one is pretty tight. Doesn't give you any type of, it's not as soft. It has its firmness. This one has 10, and this one I just needed new brushes, so I went and got those. And I need to count how many is in here so that I make sure you guys, 2, 4, 6, 8, and these also have 10. These are a little bit smaller. These are portable. Like you just travel with it, and you can put it on the hotel counter and don't have to worry about them rolling or anything. So I'm pretty proud. I'm happy I got this. So that was my itty bitty haul, you guys. I was happy that they even had that feature where you're able to support the animals. I love them. I am a big humane person about animals. You know, I love them. And I do miss my dog very much. She is, she's truly missed. And, yeah, it was nice to see that. So I was thrilled to go on the site and see that they had this feature available. You guys continue on being a blessing to others, and I'll talk to you guys soon.